13th one, the question is, find the points on the curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. This is an equation of ellipse at which the tangents are, number 1 is parallel to x-axis and number 2 is parallel to y-axis. Now first one we will take parallel to x-axis. Now when a line is parallel to x-axis, the slope of that line is always equal to 0. So here, taking the equation of the curve, that is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1, we will differentiate this equation with respect to x. Reason, we will get the value of the slope dy by dx. So differentiating x square, we get 2x by 9. Differentiating y square, we get 2y upon 16 dy by dx. Now differentiating 1 becomes 0 as it is constant. Here, whenever we are calculating derivative of y, always we need to write dy by dx. Now making dy by dx as a subject, taking 2x upon 9 the other side, it becomes minus 2x by 9. Making dy by dx as subject, shifting 2y upon 16 the other side, 2 gets cancelled. The final dy by dx left out is minus 16x upon 9y. So this is our complete calculation of the slope dy by dx from the equation. Now we will take the first condition given. The first condition is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means the slope is equal to 0. We have calculated slope as minus 16x upon 9y. That we have to equate it to 0. 9y goes and multiplies with 0, becomes 0. We get minus 16x equal to 0 and this gives the value of x equal to 0. Now as it is asked, find the points, we need to calculate the value of y. So keeping the value of x in the equation and simplifying it, we get y square upon 16 equal to 1. So y square will be equal to 16. Y becomes plus or minus 4. And finally the point becomes 0 and plus or minus 4. So according to the question asked, we need to answer. If find the point is asked, we need to calculate the value of x and y. If finding the equation is asked, equation of tangent or line, then finally we have to calculate the equation of line using the point slope. Second part of 13. The condition given is parallel to y-axis. Now if the line is parallel to y-axis, the slope is undefined, or we say the slope tends to infinity, and as the slope tends to infinity, we write it as dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 0. Now this 1 upon 0 helps us in calculating the points. Now dy by dx calculated is minus 16x upon 9y, that is equal to 1 upon 0. Taking up the by cross multiplication, we get 0 is equal to 9y. Negative sign gets removed with 0. So y value we get it as 0. If y is 0, to get the value of x, we will be substituting value of y0 in this equation. So we get x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. Y becomes 0. So x square upon 9 equal to 1. X square upon 9 equal to 1. 9, shifting 9 the other side, we get x square equal to 9. Taking up the root, we get x is equal to plus or minus 3. So the point over here is the second point with the help of second condition becomes plus or minus 3 and 0. So this is how, taking up the second condition, we have calculated the point. 14th one is, find the equations of the tangent and normal to the given curves at the indicated points. Now here we need to calculate equation of tangent as well as the equation of normal. Points are already given. Point is 0, 5 for the first one, but slope is not given. So here, by differentiating the equation of the curve and putting the point 0, 5 in the place of x and y, we will calculate first the slope dy by dx. So differentiating y with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 4 minus 6 d by dx of x cube plus 13 d by dx of x square minus 10 dx by dx plus d by dx of 5. So each and every term of this equation is being differentiated. Now differentiation of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. X cube is 3x square. X square is 2x. And derivative of x is 1. So finally dy by dx comes out to be 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26 minus 10. That becomes the slope of tangent. Now this slope is to be calculated at the point 0, 5. So keeping in the place of x 0 in dy by dx, all the terms get 0 except minus 10 remains. So the slope of tangent becomes minus 10. Now point is known to us, slope is known. Using the equation of point slope to calculate equation of tangent is y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. The value of x0 and y0 is 0 and 5. So keeping that value, we get y minus 5 is equal to minus 10 x minus 0. Expanding it, the brackets, we get y minus 5 is equal to minus 10x. Shifting minus 10x other side, we get 10x plus 5y minus 5 equal to 0. So this becomes the equation of tangent. Now to calculate equation of normal, we need the slope of the normal. Now slope of normal is taken up as minus 1 upon dy by dx. So minus 1 upon minus 10 is the value of dy by dx that is being placed here. So minus 1 upon minus 10 makes it 1 by 10. Now taking up the equation of normal by using the point slope form, we get here y minus y0 is equal to slope of normal into x minus x0. The point remains as 0, 5. Hence, keeping the value of x0 and y0 in the equation, we get y minus 5 equal to 1 by 10 x minus 0. Taking 10 the other side, it becomes 10y minus 50 equal to x. And taking 10y and minus 50 the other side, the equation of normal becomes x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. Question number 14, fifth one. Here they have not given the point, but the parametric form of the equations are given. Now x is given as cos t, y is given equal to sin t, when t is equal to pi by 4. So again, to calculate the slope, we'll differentiate with respect to t here. So dx by dt becomes minus sin t, dy by dt becomes cos t. Now slope is dy by dx, that is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, and that is equal to cos t upon minus sin t, and that is equal to minus cot t. Now this slope dy by dx is to be calculated when t takes the value pi by 4. So keeping the value of t as pi by 4, we get minus cot pi by 4 equal to minus 1. Because cot pi by 4 value is 1, hence it becomes minus 1. Now slope we have calculated as minus 1. Now to find the point, we will substitute the value of t equal to pi by 4 in x as well as in y. Hence x is equal to cos pi by 4 becomes 1 by root 2. Y equal to sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now equation of tangent having slope as minus 1 and passing through the points 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, we get y minus y0 is equal to slope x minus x0. Substituting the value x0 as 1 by root 2, y0 as 1 by root 2, the equation becomes y minus 1 upon root 2 equal to slope is minus 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. Now expanding the bracket, we get y minus 1 upon root 2 is equal to minus x plus minus minus makes it plus 1 upon root 2. Now minus x is shifted the other side. It becomes x plus y is equal to minus 1 upon root shifted the other side becomes 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2. That makes it 2 upon root 2 and the cancellation gives root 2. So the equation of tangent is x plus y equal to root 2. Now for calculating slope of normal, we have to take the equation minus 1 upon dy by dx. This is a formula for calculating normal slope. So as the slope of tangent is minus 1, we get minus of minus 1 makes it 1. So the slope of normal is 1. Now equation of normal at point 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 having slope 1 becomes y minus 1 upon root 2 equal to 1 x minus 1 upon root 2. So multiplying 1 with both, we get y minus 1 upon root 2 is equal to x minus 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 gets cancelled. The equation of normal becomes x equal to y.